Hello, this is Team Moneybags, and today I will be showing you how to identify gartly and butterfly patterns using your fib tools and outlining them with your trend lines. Now to start off, make sure your Fibonacci tools have the following percentages enabled: 0, 23.6, 0.382, 0.500, 0.618, 0.786, 0.1.0, 1.272, 1.618, 2.0, 2.618, 0.886, 0.2618. All these fib levels are necessary for correctly identifying a pattern. Alright, now I will go back through history to find an extreme and show you it into pattern. Alright, this extreme. Your gartly patterns have X, A, B, C, D, which are measured with Fibonacci's. Now your X will always be in an extreme of price. So let's place our X here at the peak of price on 4 o'clock in the morning. And then my A would be the end of this leg, of the X leg. I will place my A here. Now I will draw my fibs from the wake of X, the top, all the way to the bottom of A, in order to identify B and D. Now my first retracement is here on the 382, and this typically means that my B would be here. My B could also be on the first swing of the leg, of the A leg, over here, but I much rather use the 382 confirmation. Now to identify the C leg, I draw from A to D, wick to wick, and I make sure there is at least a 382 retracement, and here you could see that there is a 786 retracement. Whenever there is a retracement from 50% through 100%, that means that the pattern will be a gartly pattern. If it goes beyond, then it normally fails because the C leg cannot be lower than A for this type of pattern. So let's draw our C here. So now we have X, A, B, C. Now our C to D leg is typically a 100% of A to B. So now let's draw backwards from the peak of B to the bottom of A using our Fibonacci tools in order to calculate the percentage between C to D and A to B. So now I move the fib tool right on the C leg, and here we see 100% completes in this point price. It converges with the 50% of X and A. This indicates that this should be an area where a D would form. Now normally when I find this, I would set my entry around this area, and I would normally find this pattern while analyzing this time frame here. So anywhere from the beginning of London to the start over here at 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock of London, I would have noticed that a pattern was forming, and I would have set an entry at this point because of the convergence with the 50% to the 100%. So now I remove this and I label this point here as my D, and we finish drawing our Gartley 222 pattern. Now, a Gartley or a butterfly pattern normally retraces about 50% for this pair. So what we do in order to measure our target will be draw our fibs